Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with GoDaddy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with deploying sales strategies using GoDaddy, first, log into your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, navigate to the marketing section in the dashboard. Select the email marketing option to set up communication with your customers. Create an email list by importing existing contacts or adding new ones manually. Design an engaging email template to showcase your products or services. Incorporate clear calls to action within your email content. Next, schedule your email campaigns for optimal times based on your target audience. Monitor your email performance through analytics to understand open and click-through rates. Use this data to adjust your email marketing strategies as necessary. Now, navigate to the Website Builder option to create a sales-focused landing page. Choose a professional template that aligns with your brand identity. Add compelling content, including images, descriptions, and prices of your offerings. Ensure the landing page has an easy-to-use checkout process for customer convenience. Next, set up an online store by selecting the Online Store option from the dashboard. Add your products, ensuring each item has complete details and high-quality images. Integrate payment gateways to facilitate smooth transactions. After setting up your store, optimize your website for search engines through GoDaddy's SEO tools. Use relevant keywords in your content to improve visibility. Now, consider implementing promotional strategies such as discounts or special offers. Create a promotional banner on your website to attract visitor attention. Utilize GoDaddy's social media management tools to promote your sales strategies across platforms. Schedule social media posts that highlight your products and promotions. Respond to audience inquiries promptly to build customer trust and engagement. Finally, review your overall sales strategies regularly to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your tactics based on performance metrics and customer feedback to ensure ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.